Why'd you blow up my pool?
Homeowner special, huh?
Right. The pool blew up. Never had this panel off in the 19, almost 19 years I've been here. Probably it will be 20 by the time you see this. 19 by the time you see this. I have the fence lights plugged in here, but it rained the last 4 days. Yesterday it got nice, like 4 p.m. Sun came out. I said, oh, I wonder what temperature the pool is. It was cold. I said, let me check the solar. The solar was off. I opened the panel up, no power. Pump's running. All right. Let's see. That's a GFCI. Had to unplug that to reset it. I do that. I get power. It opens up. I go over to the pool. Nice warm water going in. Everything's good. I go to plug this back in. It trips again. So I said, okay, that's not good. I go to unplug it. Boom! That was from when the pump wire blew up, I think, but maybe not, because this has been a looming issue. Do you see the problem? Right there. And here is the culprit. I forget where the break-in it was. Maybe it was that. Yeah, right there. See it? Shorted to that. I didn't get a shock, thank fuck. But it blew up and it scared the crap out of me. That was not good. So the fence lights are decked. That's still wet because when I plug that back in it trips, but at least we figured this out. And this was the problem. This wire was on this switch, which goes to the Polaris pump, but it was just here where it just, and that was it. So that was it. Did that. Everything's good. Re-screwed it to the knackered post. This is just here to make it look nice. That one holds it because the thing here is bent, crooked. Just is. So it's back, and allegedly it works. I guess we'll find out soon. So I guess in retrospect, that mark on the door is from that, because there's no other short or possible way anything could have arced out like that. So that was a looming problem, I guess, for years now. That mark appeared in 2022 when the wiring on the pump blew up, and I fixed that. I'll put a link in the prescription to that video. But I noticed that mark there, so I guess it shorted, it drew enough of an arc that everything else happened at the same time, and that mark is there now. Oh, the wildlife, ladies and gentlemen. Wildlife. Alright, we're going back together. A rare moment in the wild of an ex-Joe 81X not using his drill.
Well, it's a flathead. That is about the exact same position that I came here with.
Okay.
So you would be inclined to turn it all on.
All right, should be good. We want to make sure we get power.
I don't really turn it on without the shoes.
Right, well, I'll let you do that. Yep, we got juice. That's going to reset. Go back. It'll figure out the heating bit in a minute. That was one of the bad screws. And got to advance the timer because I killed the breaker right after it shut off. So first startup for the day. Took a little while to get going, but it's going. It works. There's no water in it, so it has no load. Air's coming through from the solar. Runs.
It runs, it drives.
Right. What can I do to get you into this pool today? That's air. Air. Could be gauging. We're gauging. No water in it yet. Now it's good. Full light, I guess. We'll take a look. Can't expect why it wouldn't work. I mean, everything else is good. We made sure all the connections are tight. Crystal clear blue. Finally a nice day. It's been terrible the last 4 days at least. And yeah, it's on. We're good. He just talks. That's unfortunate. Haven't seen a single one here this year, and that ends up in there. Well, that was a nice scare. Wow, that was looming for years. Shit. You never know when the shit's booby trapped, right? Anyway, we're up and running. Everything's good. Big thanks to XJoe81X. Link in the description. Go prescribe. Ha ha ha. Wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly. Yep, sounds of summer. Not running right now. This is. Alright, she's fixed. We're good. It's nice to fucking know people, I'll tell you that. It's nice to know people. Thanks again to XJoe81X. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. I appreciate all of you very much. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.